Alright. So if you want to quickly find any study notes, ebooks, or PDFs on Scribd, yeah, the search feature is your main tool. Once you understand how it works, finding documents becomes really fast and easy. First, open Scribd on your phone or browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Now look at the top of the screen where you'll see a search bar. That's where everything starts. What you're looking for, like a book name, topic, author, or even something general like biology notes or business ebook. After searching, Scribd will show you a mix of ebooks, documents, and audiobooks. Scroll through to find what you need. To make it easier, use filters to narrow results to documents, ebooks, or specific categories. Now tap on any document to open it. You can read it instantly or preview it first. If you find something useful, tap Save so you can access it later in your library. Scribd also suggests related documents based on your search, so you can discover more useful content. And yeah, that's how you search documents on Scribd. Once you get used to it, you can find anything in just a few seconds.